If you want Microsoft Edge to open every time you click a link, then in this video I'll show you exactly how to make Edge your default browser in just a few clicks. This is a really useful setting if you're using Windows and you want your web links, searches, and browsing experience to open in Edge automatically instead of another browser. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the settings area. You can do this by clicking the three dot menu in the top right corner, then choosing settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left hand side and click default browser. This is the section where Edge lets you change how it handles web links and browser preferences. On the default browser page, you should see an option that says make default. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, your system settings page will open automatically. This is where Windows manages your default app choices. On the settings page that opens, click Set Default. This confirms Microsoft Edge as your default browser for web-related links and file types. In some cases, Windows may ask you to choose Edge for specific web formats, so if you see additional prompts, just make sure Edge is selected and confirm the change. Once that is done, any links you open from emails, documents, or apps should now launch in Microsoft Edge by default. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully made Microsoft Edge your default browser. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.